One of the downsides of having such a small place is that whenever I cook, man, this whole living room, kitchen, bedroom area stinks. I cooked some fish this morning, or it was like a fish soup, and man, woo! It's stinky in here. So right now I got this cereal milk scented candle doing its thing right now, but honestly, it is not doing a good job. Hey Butters, good morning. Say hi to the vlog. She's playing dead. All right, you keep eating your thing. Oh, whoa. You just want a belly rub. I got you. Quick shout out to everybody purchasing on the website. I appreciate you guys. We've been going crazy on the Croc orders. So if you guys want Crocs for summer, you know where to go, baby. Shopsotopia.com. Quick mail time. Ivan is behind the camera.
Hi guys.
And we are gonna just get right to it. I'm super excited for this because this is some jewelry that I had done from my boy James Top. So he overnighted this to me just to make sure. Oh my! Look at the packaging. Sheesh. Look at the packaging. 3 pieces. Let's check this one out. So, okay. Oh, wow. Packaging on point. All right, let's look at this one. Ooh. Oh my gosh.
Very nice.
Wow, this looks way crazier in person. So this one is a purple jade piece. We did the white gold trim with the designs on the side. Kept the back very simple. This is crazy. So I've had these jade pieces for a minute. They just didn't have the frames on them, so that's one of them. Boom! Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, it's very nice.
Got black jade. Gold combo, same design on the sides, simple on the back.
Very nice.
Boom. And then the last one, that red and gold combo. 3-piece combo right here. Let me know what you guys like the most in the comment section down below.
That purple be looking nice.
This one looks super nice. I like the size of it. This is different. I usually do yellow gold, but I decided to do white on this one.
The white's nice with it.
So your choice is the purple?
Yeah, no, it's very nice.
What is your choice, sir?
Gold. Black.
Black and gold.
Can't go wrong with that.
Black and gold. Boom.
Very nice. Hi, Butts.
Not interested.
No.
Not at all. Doesn't care.
Alright.
We got a package here from Hibbett Sports. Now they send me 1 pair of shoes every single month. Every single month. And I don't know what's inside. So I usually just unbox this on my own. But today, we're gonna unbox it together. So let's see. What do you think it is? You think something good?
You know what? I haven't been keeping up with the releases
Me either.
lately. So I really don't know.
Hopefully it's something that I can wear. Okay. What is this? It's like a...
That's
it's a Jordan box.
It is.
Okay, this might be saucy.
Okay.
Air Jordan 3s, Air Jordan 3s, Air Jordan 3s.
Yeah, those are the ones.
Dude, I didn't even know that these came out.
Yeah. I think
They're kind of like true blues.
Yeah. These came out.
Oh, the elephant print's weird.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Very different.
Look at that, guys. Different elephant print. I'm usually used to seeing it like, you know, the OG style. I don't know what these are called, but it's a clean colorway. It reminds me of the True Blue 3s. True Blue 3s were my first Air Jordan 3s ever. Shout out to Hibbett Sports for these, man. I appreciate it. That's my 1 free shoe for this month. Thank you, guys. It might be that one. Let's see. What do you guys pick? Cedarwood? Sandalwood? Dude, my whole place smells like eucalyptus right now. I'm trying to like... This one looks fancy. I like the little rocks and shit. This one. Rocks. Rocks, guys. Look at that. Alright, this is gonna be the move. We have our little oil scent diffuser. Oh, should we pick up some Jesus candles?
Yeah.
Which ones? This one?
Yeah, we got Jesus. There's nothing on this one. We got the Virgin Mary.
Virgin Mary. Shout out to Virgin Mary. I think we'll be good with this. What in the world is this?
That looks delicious, bro.
Lay's, Doritos. Interesting. I feel like that's like a TikTok recipe or something.
Yeah, honestly.
Ah, guys.
I ain't gonna lie.
There's so much good stuff here. I've been trying to eat healthy, but you know what? Sometimes you just gotta enjoy life. Just scooped up some snacks with 2 C's. Ooh, man, this looks so good, but so freaking bad. Oh, man. So right now we're out here at Pepper Lunch. Oh, dude, I forgot my mask.
Well, you're vaccinated, so you're okay.
I'm vaxxed. I'm vaxxed, guys. I'm still gonna wear my mask for other people, you know? Safety reasons. In LA, nobody wears a mask. It's crazy. Like waiters or anything, like they don't wear masks, but out here in the Bay, like people are still wearing masks, so I'm gonna respect it, you know? We'll respect the game. A lot of you guys have been asking about the LS, and yeah, we still have it. Everything's good. Can't complain. I just haven't been like doing anything to it. I don't know what the hell to do to it. It's perfect the way it is, but yeah, it's still good. Might do like an actual video showing like my favorite features of the LS and give you guys a little bit more information on it, because I think it's a solid vehicle, man, especially for a daily. But then you need the daily for your daily.
Yeah.
And then one more daily for your other daily for your daily.
And then another daily for your daily. That daily's the other daily.
The daily, the daily.
Yeah.
The gas price out here is over $5 now.
It's smoking crack.
It's crazy.
That's what they're doing.
I don't think I've seen it this high in a minute, but comment down below. Let us know what the gas price is in your state. I know some people it's like $3, yeah, or city. Some people's like $3, some people's $4, some $5, I don't know. Maybe $6 in some places?
I paid $4.83 per gallon today.
And total was like what, 60 bucks?
No,
full
I
tank?
just put 40.
Oh, okay. Little M3 action. Very nice. We got about a 30-minute wait, so to kill time, we're gonna go shopping at 99 Ranch. For what? For more snacks.
Snack,
I got my only snack I need right here, but we need to eat some snacks too. And I can't just be eating you all the time, cuz. But I'm out. Sus boys. Woo! Can y'all feel the burn? If you guys want some nice chilies, hit up the Thai chilies, man. Ivan said he's gonna give me a Thai chili plant, so we're gonna be harvesting all season. Be like, what you need? You got peppers. I got potatoes. We're gonna trade for celery.
I got an apricot tree.
Okay.
Some lemons.
Oh,
cactus,
okay.
And kumquats.
Oh, kumquat. All right, I'm gonna come at you with like a watermelon. What is it? Vine? Do they grow on vines?
Yeah, they do.
Okay, watermelon vine and a banana tree and
I like
nice little Thai chili. I've never had this one, but I've seen the kids at school, like their parents pack it.
You're missing out.
The small ones are right next to it.
You're missing out, bro.
I don't know, I'm not really an apple juice kind of guy.
This is the best apple juice you can bet.
No cap?
Yeah, no cap.
No cap.
No cap.
No kizzy. This is like the childhood store. Like I would go here with my mom when I was a kid, and there's a lot of snacks and stuff. They have a lot of stuff. Quick review on the black sugar milk tea from 99 Ranch with the master, Ivan the Creature.
Unofficial, official review. Got a nice little shake. Scent wise, smells like milk tea.
Okay. Taste.
Pretty good.
Mmm.
Yeah. It definitely I'm missing the boba itself, but it's good though.
Hey, that ain't bad.
No, it's not super sweet. I don't know, maybe like a 75%.
Hey, it ain't bad. If it had some jellies in here.
Oh, it'll be hitting for sure.
But if you're on the go,
there you go.
not sponsored. Oh my gosh. Ivan, wow. Yeah. You gotta drizzle the sauce on there. That's how you do it proper way.
Are these the same or not? No, one of them soy sauce.
Damn, dude. Looks good. So does the food.
Daddy, chill.
We got some extra butter on deck. Look at this. Y'all ain't ready. Ooh. 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 I was wondering why it felt so hot. 97.
Bro, I thought it was supposed to be fucking 80, bro.
What? 82 here, 97 here. Which one do we?
No, sorry, this is where we're at right now. Belpeda's 81.
81.
I think it's 97 inside of here.
Hey, either way.
It's hot.
It's hot as hell. Lunch was good. Lunch was great. We need a little dessert. You ready for a little dessert?
Yes, sir. Dude, I'm fucking sweating.
Sweet honey dessert, mango pancakes. Let's go.
Shout out to Colin.
Shout out to Colin. All right, guys. Dessert time.
Oh, whoa.
Dessert time. Sweet honey dessert. If you guys have one near you, make sure you drop by, check it out. Mango pancakes. Look at this.
Fire.
Look how juicy. Look how perfect this looks. Look how squishy this is. There's whipped cream inside and there's a mango. And this is so good on like a hot day. You want to take your first bite, sir?
I got you.
I'm not trying to rush you. Take your time.
Hold up.
Look at that, guys. Mango with whipped cream.
That's fire.
Is it orgasmic?
So good, so good, so good.
We're just eating good today. This whole vlog we're eating, bro. Try it out, guys. Or if you don't have it near you, try making it. I don't think it's that hard. We are back home now. Pop and open this vetiver cedarwood. And hopefully it smells nice. If it doesn't, I am going to cry. There was no scratch and sniff, so we're gonna do this together. Oh. I think this is the one. And it comes with free rocks, cuz. So if you have never had this before, you pop this thing open, okay? Throw this away. And then it comes with some sticks.
Those are like chopsticks.
Sticks. You pull the rubber bands out. You want to do that for me, sir?
Sure.
Pull the rubber bands out. And then you just dip it in here.
You just do one or?
You do all of them.
All of them?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes. And then what happens is the oil starts soaking. It's very special wood, so it starts soaking in this, and then it just diffuses into the whole room.
Is that the cedar wood, or is it the actual scent?
I don't know, but it smells good so far. It takes a while for this to soak. I'm gonna leave this in my room, get some scents going, but yeah, man. If you guys want to purchase something like this, I'll have a link down below in the description. Not sponsored, but I'm gonna affiliate link it so your boy's making a little change on there. If you guys buy it, just being transparent with y'all.
It's not even that expensive.
It's not. How much is this?
10 bucks.
Oh, 10 bucks?
10 bucks.
Smells good. Oh yeah, Mike the Compass. I know you're not watching this. I know you're famous now. You don't care about us. Shout out to you for putting us on, and shout out to all the viewers for trusting us. We do need the Pico sponsorship. That would be nice. That would be really nice. Guys, I freaking love this fan in here. I never thought about having a fan inside a room until I got it, and it's where you let that thing just blow.
Do they know that you have a new place?
They do. I just I don't know when this video is going up because I've been like I'm like a month behind in my uploads. I have it stacked up. Okay, so when they see this, they know we have the place, and yeah.
All right, cool.
Yeah. Shout out to all the fans out there.
Yes, sir.
A 3, a 2, a 1. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. We got Ivan, we got David. What's good?
Back. Is this a new vlog?
What's wrong with? No, this is a continuation.
Right.
What's wrong with this guy? What happened to him?
You okay, Dave?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Were you okay?
Can we just like, why do you gotta record everything, dude?
Sorry, dude. What's up?
Listen, I don't want to talk about it.
Yeah.
Sure.
Last video, I was wearing this exact shirt.
Oh,
But
you were, but this
that was like
video is going out.
That was like a month ago.
Yes, and this video will be out next month.
I'm so insecure now. People are gonna think I only have one shirt.
And you had the same outfit.
I did.
You were just wearing pants in the last one.
Yeah, probably the same boxers too.
I like your Crocs, I must say. What the hell is that? We're gonna play a quick game of pool over here. Since it's 3 of us, we could play. Somebody gets like 1 to 5, other person gets 6 to 10, and then the other person gets 11.
Or you can play Mitsubishi. No, I'm serious. Follow me.
Okay.
Bring the camera.
What's Mitsubishi? I don't trust this guy. He's being kind of sus right now. I don't know.
It's Mitsubishi, like the Mitsubishi logo. Do you see the Mitsubishi?
Stupid.
No, it's like a real. I mean,
So what's the game?
It's like
You just make the logo?
You made it is a logo. It's not really called Mitsubishi, but it looks like the Mitsubishi logo.
Okay, and then what do you do with this?
It's like, oh, it's 3 people. I get this, you get this, I get this. But we have to like organize it in certain like. That way we know which ball is what.
Wait.
I'll go first. Smallest to largest, right?
Like feet, right? Oh.
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 Does anyone know what the chalk is for?
It's to so that your pool cue doesn't slip.
Is that really?
I think so, because you know sometimes when you hit it and it goes, you just like scrape the ball.
No,
you gotta suck for that.
I don't, but
I think
if you guys know,
it gives it like a better hit.
if you guys know, comment down below. I'm gonna choose this one.
What are these sticks for?
Oh my god! Okay, okay. Nice. All right, it is Ivan's turn now.
I suck at fucking pool ball.
It's okay, it's okay.
Hey, we're having fun. You ain't lying.
This 15 right here, getting knocked in. So whoever's 15, it's gonna be either you or you. You're going down, buddy.
I'm gonna knock you in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think they're gonna be the first time.
Oh!
All right, 15. Boom. Done.
Dude!
Is there anything else I could do?
There's one thing.
If you know, you know. And if you don't, you don't.
Actually, there is one thing.
Yeah?
And it's been on my mind a lot.
Oh, no.
Excuse me.
No.
Wait. I thought Ivan's doing it too. Ivan lost. No. Oh.
Croc charm, silly.
Oh. Get your Croc Charms. Shop Hypebeasts. Or no, just Hypebeasts. Hypebeasts.com. Do they get a discount code? No, they don't. Link in bio. Quick little rematch or what?
Here. Dude, look at this chair.
Bussin'.
You see this?
24K golden? Dude, look at the booty cheek prints on there. Ooh. Your boy just took the dub for you guys. Make sure you smash the like button. Your boy took the dub. We're gonna do one more game. David won one, I won one. Ivan, it's your time to shine, all right? You got this. Let's go. We are ending the day real quick. Your boys are just gonna dip the little toesies into the hot tub.
We gotta chill.
Gotta chill a little bit. This is the perfect way to end the day. Look, a freaking sunset over there.
Beautiful.
We got our feetsies out. Come on, son. I would record the hot tub, but there's people in there right now, and it might be a little cringe. But yeah, we're gonna do this, and I might close the vlog out here. So if I do, peace out, Ivan. Nice seeing you.
That was nice. That was fun.
And we'll see you guys for the next video. We're out.
The next video might be pretty exciting though.
Oh, it might be.
Pretty spicy, so y'all better get ready for that one.
Stay tuned, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. We're out. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they